What's your website and what's your handle?
Mavhuka.com.
Mavhuka.com?
Yes, mavhuka.com.
We're filming every booth and every product here at the show. We're putting it on YouTube.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So why is yours the best?
Nice. Better quality.
Okay.
It smells good, and the prices are good.
Amazing. Right on. And who are we speaking with?
Tina.
Tina. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fantastic. What's the website and what's your handle?
50 by. We're from California, so we have the new brand. We have 20K puffs, so people love it, this product, because the taste is very nice. If you want to try, do you smoke?
No.
This is sad. I mean, this is good. I'm kidding. But yeah, and also they made in United States.
Okay.
So the basing's from California.
Yeah.
And then so we're very excited for the show.
Okay.
And yeah,
Awesome. We're filming every booth and every product from the trade show.
Yes.
And we're putting it on YouTube.
Yes.
That's what we're doing.
Nice, yeah. And also we have two booths here at the convention.
Okay.
This is the small one, but we have the big
Downstairs?
Yeah, downstairs.
I think I saw you down there.
Yes. We have the huge booth there. So they give you samples.
Okay.
They have a lot of stuff there, so you
Awesome.
can check it out if you want.
What's the weirdest thing that you've ever eaten?
I don't know, like, I have no idea.
Right on. And who are we talking to?
Sabrina.
Sabrina.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Have a good show.
You as well.
Thank you.
Oh, you're good, man.
Yeah, you do your thing.
They're asking them too if they want to work advertising.
That's
From other companies. Is that what you're saying?
no, that. But tell him. Tell him. I have. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I see you earlier this week, huh?
Somewhere because you look really familiar. Are you an exhibitor?
Sometimes, but we're filming. Let's do her booth.
Oh, I know.
You know what's
where
going
I
on?
saw you.
Uh-oh.
I saw you downstairs and you.
Doing this.
Yes.
We're filming every booth and every product at the show and we're putting it on YouTube.
I don't want to be filmed here.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
It was a friendly face I came up
Yeah.
with.
Okay, when I come back, I see you.
I was talking about Jeremy Broderick. Yeah.
You work here?
Yeah.
All right, what's the website and what's your handle? Sorry to interrupt.
So you're good? What's good?
What's the website?
The website is itspressed.com.
Awesome. Thank
sir.
you. We're filming every booth and every product here at the trade show. We're putting it on YouTube.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Do your thing.
Right on. Thank you.
You would interview, be like, yo, what up?
Yo, remember we did the interview at that house in fucking San Diego?
Run it. Run it. Yeah. If you got it.
Appreciate that.
YouTube. So you can watch the videos. We post every booth every day.
Dallas. We're out here at the press.
I'm game, shit.
I'm game.
Do you have a website?
Yeah.
What's your website and your handle?
Shop Galaxy Gas.
Shop Galaxy Gas?
Yes, sir.
We're filming every booth and every product here at Champs, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So what makes yours the best? What is it?
It makes the best whipped cream. Oh, which product?
Galaxy Gas.
Yeah, the best whipped cream charges on the market. It comes in different flavors. You can infuse all your whipped cream beverages.
Okay, right on.
That's it.
Awesome, man.
We are the top in America.
Top in America.
Yeah.
Right on. Thank you. Appreciate it. What's your website and what's your handle?
It's at GPen and at Student Glass, and studentglass.com and gpen.com.
Dope. We're filming every booth and every product here at the show and putting it on YouTube.
Awesome, man. Yeah.
Yeah, right on.
Perfect.
And who are we talking to?
My name is Farzan. I'm the sales manager here at GPen and Student Glass.
All right.
And, happy to have you guys here at Champs 2024.
2024, baby. Right on. Appreciate you. Thank you. What's the website and what's your handle?
Casper. And my angle, you said?
Yeah, your handle.
Oh, my handle. It's Bianca Bayadana.
Right on. We're filming every booth and every product here at the trade show.
Oh, okay.
Putting it on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. We're making it real right now. That's why we're
Oh,
yeah.
perfect.
Yeah. That's what we're doing.
Right on. Thank you. Do it again. What happened?
Cause off guard. You want to redo?
Yeah.
Redo.
Come on, go.
You can scan this.
Like, we're literally making it real.
I'll take you to our YouTube page where you can watch the video.
Okay, should we both say something?
Ready?
Yeah. What do you got here? What is Casper?
So Casper is a THCA brand. We have pre-rolls, we have flour, we have disposables, and we have gummies.
What makes it amazing?
It gets you lit.
And what's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
The what?
Weirdest thing that you've ever eaten?
I've eaten some crazy shit.
Frog legs.
Frog legs? What was that like?
Nasty.
Nasty?
Never again. Never again. We'll leave it to that.
Right on. And who are we talking to?
Audrey.
Audrey and
Bianca.
Bianca. Awesome. Thank you. Bye.
We're filming every booth, every product. Champs Trade Show.
What's your website and what's your handle?
It's Litto, ITSLITTO.com.
Okay.
And it's ITSLITTO is the Instagram.
And what makes it amazing?
We're a cannabis company. We started in cannabis, and we got into hemp a little over a year ago.
Okay.
We've got these THCA pre-rolls. It's THCA flower, and it's rolled in THCA diamonds.
Awesome.
And then we've got our disposables. We've got a THCA live resin, and we've got a regular oil, and then we've got HHC live resin.
Awesome. Thank you. And what was your name?
My name's Holly.
Holly?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Do you guys like, do you smoke?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to try one?
Sure.
Yeah? Do you want to try the pre-roll? Or do you want to sample a disposable, or do you want to try it?
I'd like to try the pre-roll.
Yeah! Okay, good. Here you go.
Awesome. Oh, here. Do the hand a little.
So it's like smoking and dabbing. Yeah, dude, you know. Oh my God.
Done it a couple
Isn't
times.
it yum?
It tastes pretty good.
I'm glad you stopped by.
You as well. What in it?
You want to keep it? Oh, thank you, dude.
Right. Awesome. Awesome. Thank
That
you.
is the Gushers. That's Gushers.
Gushers?
Gushers. It's a hybrid.
Gushers. Right on. You want it, Gilbert? Is that like diamond?
It's so good. I love it. Oh my god, you guys smoke. I
yeah.
dig it.
Yeah, Kanna Krew.
I like it a lot.
We're the Kanna Krew, cannabis crew.
Yeah? Okay, so we're cannabis. Have you heard of Little?
You heard of what? Little? No.
Little? I dig it. I like that sticker. Thank you. Oh my god, you guys. I dig this.
If you follow us, scan that, you can follow us on YouTube.
Okay.
That's where this will be. And that's what we'll post it to.
Yeah,
Also,
dude.
yeah.
Okay, follow me and then I'll, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Oh my god, how fun.
Nah, use your thing. It was tasty.
Yeah.
Right on, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of
You
your
too. What up, what up, what up? What up, what up? What's your website and what's your handle?
It's going to be vprcollection.com and the handle's going to be @squeeze.
We're filming every booth and every product here at Champs and we're putting it on YouTube.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, right on, man. And what was your name?
Eric, you guys want some samples? Here, let me get you guys a pack.
What is it?
Here you go. These are going to be a disposable system, open system that's going to be marketed as a disposable.
Okay. Dope. That's for us?
Yeah, that's cool. That's for you guys.
Awesome, man. Appreciate you.
No worries, man.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Enjoy the show. You dying?
I'm only at 13.
Okay. Are we doing this row, right? Maybe this is all one. Y'all got a website?
Yeah.
What's the website?
ShotsAmerica.com.
Shots America. We're filming every booth and every product here at Champs, putting it on YouTube.
Oh, awesome, sweet, yeah. So the ShotsAmerica.com, we manufacture over 2,600 SKUs, 49 different collections, from novelties to toys to bachelorette to bondage, everything.
Right on, man. And who are we talking to?
You're talking to Joey.
Right on, man. Appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.